Everybody's coming. Whatever. Shooting off video in the school. In the high school. Say hi. To all my friends. Woo! Kennyview High School.
What just happened?
And no, you don't. Ow! Why I wear these babies? Oh my goodness, that was loud as crazy. And here we are in Kennyview parking lot.
Oh!
Ah!
This is my friend Christian. Thank you. For you. What's that? Where did you get that? For dinner.
Oh, what is that? Stop.
Here comes everybody!
Hold this.
Woo!
Here, hold this.
Look, there's a tank! It's not moving.
Now around it. Record memories. So I get these on.
You just said my rear end.
What?
Yeah, you did that.
We're in the
Oh, look, my nails are black.
Put video on me for a second. No, turn it. Turn it like this.
Oh, that's so fun.
Comment, rate, subscribe, and like my video, please. I will add a YouTube link in it. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody. Hope you enjoy. Sorry about the loud audio.
This is like, ew. I don't like how it looks. How it turns out looking like that. Stop looking.
Yeah, I know, it like stops for a second and it continues on.
I was going to say, guys, you make really good doors. Now make a window. You're actually lucky. Because you have not frozen them. All of ours have been are completely
That's the middle school. And the middle school, everybody.
Don't forget me.
That's the freeway.
Wait, what?
Hold it, adjust the volume.
What are they doing? I just want to put my feet on your shoulder. Me want some? Please don't. Me want to try some?
I don't know why my video camera is doing this.
No.
This is my old high school, everybody. Kennyview High School.
Okay, I think you should make a new video while we're waiting because I took my juice in the front. Oh, it's fine. People think it's funny.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
What are they?
Small little fireworks.
Are they batteries or something?
No.
They look like batteries from here.
But there's one.
Are there...
Jump, Soren. Get back.
that is. Oh, you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to stand it wasn't working.
Is it supposed to do something?
They
There's
should
nothing
do
going on.
trunk or treating out here.
Oh, watch out. Oh my goodness. Never do this, ladies and gentlemen.
They should do trunk or treating. Trunk and treating is what? Have you guys ever gone trunk or treating? Trunk or treating? Trunk or... Oh, yeah, it's so pretty. No? So everyone
It's gonna go off. Get ready.
Woo! And you go in a parking lot, car. Need a car. It's fun. You have these trunk open like that. One by people here. Plug your ears. Plug your ears.
What's going on? Does smell like detergent. Smells like laundry soap. Smells like laundry soap. Oh, there we go. Oh! Oh my goodness. That was a sonic boom.
In the neighborhood.
I'm surprised that didn't scare me.
As long as they don't catch us, it's fine.
What was that?
It's actually You said they were bubbles. It is bubbles. Yeah. It's water drawn in gas and then add a lighter. Take the gloves and the gas and add it.
That was scary. That scared me. Apologize to anybody wearing headphones in this YouTube video. I felt that one in my lungs. I'm like,
That was freaky!
dude!
I did not know that was. I knew that was
You
coming.
guys are insane.
I did not see that coming.
Neither did I, Micah. I was like all standing there. Didn't even expect it. What not to do? Fireworks then.
Pull the string. Make sure that you don't point at anybody. You got to point it that direction.
Point it that way, kids.
Okay? Point it away from people. You grab this string. You grab that string like
Ariana, do it.
and you pull the string off.
That's for Ariana right there.
Okay. Well, we're going to make sure everybody gets it before we get two, okay? No. Hey, don't point them at people. Pop them that way.
Party poppers. Woo! Woo! Oh! The party poppers are flying like crazy. Confetti. Fun times with the confetti. You get me? Yes. Woohoo! Use your fingers. Your fingers in the way. Like this. Look at that. Sort of got it.
Oh, that's what.
He's letting one off. I want to get one of those part of